Hi and welcome to my playhouse and to the garden. Yesterday I was busy. I was trimming down the hinge. Oh, I need to be able to see what I'm doing. So I got a big part of it done. I still need to clean up a little bit. So yeah, the neighbor had done his hedge. So I needed to get mine done. So I was working on that. No, I didn't miss a spot. There is a bird's nest in that with the little younglings in there. So yeah, I'll let that be. I think we can stick the camera in there. You can see them. Maybe. There's I don't know what you saw, but there is little birds in there, so I left that. So you can kind of see how much. No, it was way taller than that, but yeah, I cut down the hinge yesterday, and then my neighbor came out. And we had a talk about this tree, and I have been wanting to trim that down for quite a long time. And he said that, well, he was not gonna miss it at all. So today I'm getting help, and someone is coming and help me to trim down this tree, probably by quite a lot. Might even go down to the roots. Let's see how far we get. It's gonna be piece by piece. We're gonna take off big branches, I think. There's no room to lay it down anywhere without ruining the whole thing a whole lot. But yeah, I don't know if this guy wants to be on film, so I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film of this, but that's the project of today, is to take down this tree, which is right now blocking for the sun. That's not why it's coming down. It's just it gets so dark back here. So yeah, and earlier this year I had that tree, and some other trees trimmed down quite a lot as well. So same guy came, did that for me. So yeah, this one is gonna get trimmed down. Okay, it does look like it's gonna be a beautiful day today. Let's see. I'm still using this power station, even though it was a bit disappointing. And we have 221 watts coming in from the solar panels. So this is the All Powers R1500 Lite, which mostly disappointed because it wasn't able to run the amount of wattage that I was hoping that it would do. But it is more efficient. It can run my my pool pump for way longer. Well, let me just show you that. It's actually, I think I put it in here. Yeah. The R2500. This has twice the battery as the 1500 Lite, but when it's just a small wattage, like the pool pump is like 15 watts, 15 watts. So it's next to nothing. Still, yeah, the other power station is powering it. It's a Blue Yeti power station that is powering that. So yeah, it's actually able to run longer because it's more efficient. That it doesn't have as much power going bad. So I clean up a little bit here, getting ready for the dude to come and help me. And all of these branches, I'm hoping to put them up here. Probably just block off this place here, because my neighbor has a very nice big driveway where it's possible to drive something in, pick the branches up and put them right on there. And yeah, oh, he has a very nice trailer for that. Wonder what that is doing there. Gotta ask what that is doing there. Maybe it's time for me to upgrade. Never mind. So as the tree comes down, it's gonna move up here. Is the plan, Stan? So yeah, that's everything looks good right now. I do need to cut down, trim some more trees. This looks ridiculous, so that needs a bit of trimming. These I think needs, I really should get rid of that one because it's, but that's where my my hammock hangs when I'm using that. Yeah, difficult choices, you know. First world problems. So it's almost 10 o'clock, so the little menace is gonna be ticking off at about 10. I also want to trim down trees over here. Okay, work has been begun. I'm moving branches over there, and tree has been trimmed, and that is Jonathan, and he is doing the hardest work. Okay, he's actually using my little Ryobi chainsaw just because it feels a lot safer to use that. We should have sharpened it though. Perfect. Okay, the young people just left. It's well, it's 10 minutes to 6, and he was here at 10 o'clock this morning. So yeah, 8 hours of work, and we didn't exactly complete all of it. There's just the last little bit missing. His saw wasn't long enough to go all the way through the tree here. So yeah, there was a lot of difficulty. All the big stuff is done. I do have a big branch sitting up here that I'm having great difficulties getting down. But yeah, there is hours of enjoyment still to go here, cleaning up this mess. I am knackered. I am used to being paid to use my head, not my hands and legs, I must admit. So this is this is not the work that I'm used to. Someone forgot their sweater over here, so somebody is gonna come by and pick that up. Wonder if that somebody also forgot his phone. Probably not. That's something people don't forget. So I'll just put it there. someone will come back and pick that up. Okay, so probably not a very long video, and I didn't really want to record too much of the thing going on. I have a hell of a mess up here. The idea is that my good neighbor has, I think I said that, he has this nice driveway, so I can just drive a trailer in there and fill it up, and that should be good. I am so busted. Holy shit, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I probably have sawdust in between every hair, but yeah, that's quite a workout. I have mostly just been helping out, moving stuff. So yeah, shouldn't be tired, but boy am I. Thank you very much for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel so you can see me do something more meaningful next time. But now, well, tomorrow when the sun comes up, it comes up over here somewhere, I'm gonna be able to make some solar power earlier as the sun comes up. We just need to cut all of this down as well. So yeah, that's gonna be a job for another day, I can promise you that. So have a nice day. Bye bye.